So how old are you?
29.
29? So you, in high school, you said you went to Whitmer here in Toledo. Did you play sports?
Yeah, football, yeah.
Yeah?
Football, baseball.
You play sports in college?
Football as well. Played for 3 years and decided to hang it up. You know, it's a hard thing to do, but once you realize you hit your ceiling, life kind of starts to grow from there.
So through the levels of playing sports as a younger guy, and then the what you've experienced after, I mean, do you think you took away any life lessons being a college football player and a football player in high school?
Yes, I absolutely do. I was fortunate to have been on a pretty good high school team, but I would also like to say that there were many coaches beyond the journey that kind of got me to where we are today, you know, whether that was boxing, whether that was football, whether that was baseball. There were many mentors within my life that kind of, you know, propelled me to where we're at now, and very grateful for each and every one.